This is quarantine content. What do you mean? So mini. So alright, so before I start, I want you to go down and like and subscribe. That is utmost priority. So let's get started. Shoo! This should be out of the frame. MX Master 3. So MX Master 3 is a Logitech's new up and very nice mouse that I have no idea why we even bought that.
Weren't you not happy with your Microsoft Arc?
I'm very happy with my Surface Arc.
It's a shitty mouse.
Shut up! Next. So one of the things that I want about this one is this one is Master Series. So this is like just like in the series, it's a Master Series, right? This side tells you about Bluetooth. On the back, it tells you about the basic jargon that I have no interest in. One of the things that it tells you is comfort and support. I just don't get the support that I want from the team, and I don't think that I will get it support from Logitech either.
We are giving you
Period.
Support. We are giving you the support.
What is the support? This is not even my product again. Like again, right?
It's not yours.
Like, I knew. You guys don't even support me.
Okay, what do you want, Iqbal? An iPad Pro?
I just want Microsoft Arc.
No, it's a shitty mouse.
Okay. Stop. Alright, next. So it's on this side here. It just simply tells you about the MX Master 3, which is just, you know, branding.
However, Iqbal, you're asking for support, right? How about we give you a support? This is your unbox knife.
Ooh.
Nice support.
This is the support I'm looking for. Alright, so just, you know, open this very carefully. Hopefully that's only
Since
opening.
when trash unboxing get carefully stuff?
It's careful trash unboxing. It always has been, and we are evolving. Like in this quarantine content, I'm growing. I hope you are growing as well. That's why you're watching, right? I know. Alright, so putting things aside, MX. Right, so this is a very elegant box. All black, right? And if you see, as soon as I open, I just simply see a mouse. Why we are doing another mouse?
Because the mouse...
Is that a gaming one?
I mean, I just wanted to do this, but why this?
That's shit.
No, it's not. I use that. It's like, you know, the weapon.
You can't even control your PC properly with that.
You can't edit videos
Somebody
properly.
down in the comment is hurt. I know, it's okay. I'm with you. Right, so this mouse is one of the best mouse that I've ever tried, period.
You haven't tried it though.
I've tried
Holding?
MX Master 2. It's one of the best mouse, so I hope they will top that with this one, right? But the feel is really amazing. There's a scroll bar on this side. They made a really good accent here. And it's left and right here, right? Is it left and right?
I believe so. Even I don't know, man. Honestly speaking.
Like, how come trash unboxing means that Iqbal knows more than you guys?
Do you want us to call the mouse wizard?
Hey. That means surface.
No, it's not.
Alright. And there's another thing called dongle, which I hope that you don't really have to use, but if you are using an old PC, like from 1997, you can use this.
Okay.
Right. And this one is, like I said, you have to check here what I'm going to say. Type-C.
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 Okay, well, you have mentioned Type-C a lot in all of the videos, but I want to ask you one simple question. What is that with you and Type-Cs?
My Type-C, my life. Okay? This is what everybody is saying. Type-C, best thing.
Okay.
Alright, so this is basically USB Type-C again. Computer to Type-C, which goes basically to your mouse.
Type-C. Not computer.
I've been saying computer Type-C my entire life. Now this is like upside down now. Oh my god.
Type A to Type C.
Okay, Type A to Type-C. Never mind, next one. So in this box, small mini box thing, there's something with the, design, what to do, NTC, blah, 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 which I don't really have to care about unless I'm claiming for a warranty, which I hope not. As they said, it's a really good mouse. And here, MX keys. Oh, there's a keyboard.
What is that?
I never saw that.
It's for the keyboard?
Yeah. So it's saying MX Keys Advanced Wireless Keyboard is our best typing experience yet.
They're trying to upsell.
No, I'm not being upsold because I'm already downsold.
Iqbal, please. I'm gonna throw that away.
Alright, so putting everything aside, I just want to, compare this one, how it works. I'll get the Surface mouse.
Microsoft Surface?
So paano ko ilalagay yan? Right, so the instructions are here at the back. So it basically tells you two scenarios. One, you can use the dongle that I showed you before, or you can also use the Bluetooth.
So let me ask you a question. Is there a laptop or a computer from 1997?
It's not. Ideally, if it's not, then you will be able to use the Bluetooth, which most of the computers now comes with Windows 10 or Mac OS or Chrome. It shows you that, right? So let's get started. Let me bring everything down here. Turn on, and it shows you one. One is blinking, which means that one side is on.
Which means, okay, let me explain it. You can connect with 3 devices at the same time.
Yes.
So one is blinking, which means you can connect your first device at number 1 and then second at number 2.
Yes.
And third, if you have Iqbal.
So
have.
I do not have a third one. If you're looking to sponsor me, you can tell me. You can message me at Instagram at Gearton 07. So Logitech. Hey, you know. Are they even making a computer? Do they even make a computer?
They can talk to anyone else.
Probably. So this one is already here. It just simply tells you that it is working, I guess. Hope so. I have no idea. I cannot even see it now. Right. So putting everything aside, I would like you to test it out. So let me know. Comment down below. So this is like one of what I said is the quarantine content.
Ooh, optional software.
Yeah, that's the software for Logitech, and that's where you can like map the buttons to whatever you want.
So I can make the buttons dance.
Never mind. So it's the next thing.
Well, I mean, if they want to watch a review, it's up to you, Iqbal. If they want to watch your review.
I guess this is already a quick trash unboxing and review, and I hope you like and subscribe. And I know I am already with big beard.
Okay. Sure.
As you like the video, let me know in the comment below. We are doing this quarantine content every now and then. Like and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.
Why are you leaving, Iqbal? Why are you leaving us?
No!